Hello traders, we're back again with one more setup, which is GBPCAD this time. So pound against Canadian. Before we talk about anything else, let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh it. Currently, it is 3:32 p.m. Tuesday, 5th of May 2026. That's it. So let's get back to my chart on a 4-hour time frame. So on 4 hour, we have been doing zigzag, okay, for a long time. So let's see. If you see, price has left the top resistance and came below the EMA, and now it's just consolidating, okay. Normally what happens is that if the currency pair starts a new trend up or down, so here it started the downtrend, but it is not smooth, okay. It's not like new low, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. That's not like it. That is not what is happening here, right? Here it's zigzag, 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 which means down move is not sustainable, maybe as per me, okay? So we came down below the EMA, but we can't make new low pullback, new low pullback. You know what I mean, okay? It's not smooth. It's not the way it should be. So it has been just consolidating all this time here since maybe last 15 days or so. I'm expecting a breakout towards the upside, okay? So I'm going to enter long. I think we can enter long here. And after we go long, I will maybe take my profits maybe here, okay? So I will do this manually, and I'm going to enter long, and then I will book my profits manually. And when that happens, I will come and record the video, okay? It does not look like it will continue going down because it's not smooth, okay? And GBP against Canadian, if you go back to Delhi, in Delhi again, you see zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So no down move, no down move yet. Okay, so it's not like going down, dripping, liquidating. So you know what I mean here. But anyways, too much talking. So we'll go long in GBPCAD, and we'll show you when we hit our take profit manually. Till then, if you want these setups before they happen, just go ahead and join the program. You will find the link below this video, or maybe you are already on the page. So okay, so do all that, help yourself. Otherwise, just keep watching me making the money. Till then, see you again. All right, guys, we're back with this take profit video in GBPCAD. So before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. Refresh, and currently it is 7:38 a.m. Friday, 15th of May 2026. I closed this trade yesterday. Okay, there's so much things going on. I'm too busy. Okay, so come back here, and let me show you the screenshot first. So this is the trade, 14th of May. This is the date of closing the trade. So yesterday I closed it on 14th of May, as you can see, and this was the entry and this is the exit. So 8450, I guess. So 8514 is this black line, and we entered here, I guess. Okay, let me see where we were. Here maybe 8450, that was our entry. 8450 is where, this around this candle, I guess. I don't even remember, man. Go and check the first part of the video. So we entered somewhere here at 8450 long, and then we were out at this, or we were out here yesterday. Okay, so whatever, we made like 64 65 pips in this trade, and I told you in the beginning that I am going to exit manually. Okay, and I take too many trades sometimes, because you can see here, and even at the bottom you have GBPCAD. You can see on 14th I closed it 8522 until 8537. So the whole point is, I'm gonna record this video AOD CAD shortly. The whole point is that there are many trades which are running in my account all the time, and overall I am in profits in green. There will be some losses, as you can see here and there, because we are doing trading. Okay, so trading means red and green both. Be ready for that. But as long overall you are green, then we should have some orgasms. Okay, so let's come back here, and that's it. GBPCAD, we booked our profit 60 plus pips. Be happy with that. Money is money. Okay, and you know the date and time when we took the entry and when we are out. That's it, right? If you want to help yourself, then go and join the program. You will find the link below this video, or maybe you are already on the sales page. I don't have to show you more proofs. I have recorded tons of videos. Okay, so if you go on the sales page, you will find many setup videos and more will be coming in the future too. So I don't have any need to give you more proofs. You can see visibly from your own eyes, okay, what I do, what I predict. And if you want to help yourself, then go and join the program. Otherwise, you can just keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again.